Without these techniques, your whiskey sour will never hit the mark. Whether you prefer it in a rocks glass or coupe, you must know the secret to making the perfect whiskey sour. So let's pick up our shaker and make it together. We need to start with 50 milliliters of bourbon whiskey, then 25 milliliters of simple syrup, and then add 25 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. As always, use fresh lemon juice to see the difference. Here's one of the secrets. Add 1 or 2 dashes of Angostura bitters right into the shaker. It gives your whiskey sour that extra depth of flavour. And then egg white for that silky texture or alternative other former. This is going to give your cocktail that classic frothy top. Shake it hard for about 20 seconds to get everything well mixed and frothy. After that, double strain the mixture into your chilled coupe glass. Finish it off with 3 dashes of bitters on the froth, then make your own little artwork on top. And there you have it, a perfectly crafted whiskey sour that hits all the right notes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cocktail secrets. And if you want to learn specific cocktail recipe, just leave a comment for us. Cheers to making cocktails like a pro.